There's a quiet revolution happening every morning in kitchens around the world. With the whir of blades or the slow churn of a juicer, vibrant colors and tantalizing flavors promise convenience, health, and energy in a glass. But behind this healthful ritual stands a classic nutritional debate: juicer or smoothie? From athletes to busy professionals and mindful parents to culinary explorers, everyone seems to have a preference, each crowned as a superfood elixir by their champions. Dive beneath the surface as we compare juicers and smoothies across key nutrition and lifestyle factors. Preparation method. Juicing and blending may appear similar, but the mechanics set the tone for their final form and nutrition. Juicers work by extracting the juice from fruits and vegetables, separating the liquid from the pulp. The remaining juice captures much of the vitamins, minerals, and natural sugars, while most of the fiber is left behind in the discarded pulp. This results in a smooth, water-like texture and a concentrated shot of nutrients. The process can require additional setup and cleaning time, as the pulp needs to be removed from the machine after each use. Smoothies, on the other hand, are created by blending whole fruits or vegetables. Nothing is separated or thrown away. The entire plant, fiber and all, remains inside the glass. Many people also blend in extras such as yogurt, nuts, seeds, or protein powder, making smoothies more versatile and customizable. Blenders are generally easier to set up and clean, and because you use the whole ingredient, there is minimal food waste. Fiber content. This is perhaps the most defining difference. Juices contain very little fiber, especially insoluble fiber, since the juicing process removes the pulp and fibrous components. What remains is some soluble fiber in the juice, but not nearly as much as what is found in the original whole produce. Without the fiber, juice is easy on the digestive system and is quickly absorbed. Smoothies preserve all of the fiber from their ingredients. Both soluble and insoluble fiber are retained, aiding digestive health, moderating blood sugar levels, and leading to a more gradual nutrient release. The fiber also contributes to feelings of fullness, helping you stay satisfied longer and supporting healthy digestion. Blending does not significantly damage the fiber itself, so you gain the health benefits of the original produce. Texture. Textural preference is often what divides juicer devotees from smoothie fans. Juices are light, clear, and watery, often with a vibrant, pure taste that accentuates subtle flavors of each fruit or vegetable. Their runny consistency makes them feel more refreshing and easy to drink quickly, almost like a healthful tonic or thirst quencher, especially on hot days or after intense activity. Smoothies are creamy, thick, and hearty. Because the blend includes all parts of a fruit or vegetable, the beverage has more body and a fuller mouthfeel. Many enjoy a smoothie's milkshake-like richness, which can be easily modified by adjusting the amount of liquid or adding more ingredients like oats or nut butters. For those seeking substance and a slow sipping experience, smoothies are the go-to option. Nutrient density. Both juices and smoothies are packed with nutrients, but their concentrations and availability vary. Juices excel in providing a highly concentrated dose of vitamins and minerals per ounce because the water and pulp have been removed, leaving the essence of the fruit or vegetable. This makes juices a potent, easily digestible source of antioxidants, especially when consumed immediately after preparation. However, some nutrients, especially those bound to fiber, may be lost during juicing. In contrast, smoothies retain all micronutrients, including those attached to the fiber, such as certain antioxidants and phytochemicals. The inclusion of the whole produce can mean that nutrient absorption is slightly slower and sometimes less concentrated per milliliter, but smoothies offer a broader nutritional profile, especially once you consider the addition of nuts, seeds, and dairy or plant-based milks. Satiety. If your goal is to feel full and stave off hunger, smoothies have a clear advantage. Their fiber content triggers satiety hormones and slows digestion, meaning you'll feel satisfied for longer after drinking a smoothie. The ability to add protein, healthy fats, and more dense ingredients further transforms smoothies into genuine meal replacements. Juices are not as filling. Without fiber and added proteins or fats, a glass of fresh juice is best considered a snack or quick nutritional boost, not a substitute for a meal. Many people find that juice satisfies thirst but leaves hunger intact due to its rapid absorption and lack of bulk. Sugar absorption. This aspect has important health implications. Juices, with their lack of fiber, cause natural sugars to be absorbed rapidly, which can lead to blood sugar spikes, particularly if your juice recipes favor sweet, high-sugar fruits. This makes juices less ideal for people sensitive to sugar or those managing diabetes or insulin resistance. Smoothies, meanwhile, inherently slow sugar absorption thanks to their fiber and added proteins or fats. The sugar in a smoothie is released more gradually into the bloodstream, resulting in steadier energy and less risk of blood sugar surges. Customizing your smoothie with leafy greens, seeds, or nut butters can further support blood sugar balance. Calorie content. The calorie profile depends on the recipe, but general trends emerge. Juices may contain fewer calories per serving than fruit-heavy smoothies, but their calorie density can be deceptive. Without fiber or fat for satiety, it's possible to drink more juice than intended, racking up calories without feeling full. Smoothies tend to provide more calories per glass, especially when recipes include bananas, yogurt, nut butter, or protein powder. This density isn't necessarily a drawback. Calories from smoothies are more likely to be balanced with macronutrients and promote lasting fullness, making it easier to control overall food intake throughout the day. Digestive effects. Juices are more easily digested because there's little or no fiber, making them suitable for those with sensitive guts, digestive issues, or after illness. They deliver nutrients with minimal workload for the digestive system and are sometimes recommended for people needing a low-residue diet. Smoothies support digestive health in most people. The fiber they provide helps bulk up stool, regulate bowel movements, and foster a healthy gut microbiome. That said, individuals with certain digestive conditions may need to avoid high-fiber smoothies during flare-ups. Preparation time. This often comes down to individual appliances and cleaning preferences. Juicers, especially cold press or masticating models, usually take longer to set up, operate, and clean due to multiple parts and the presence of leftover pulp. The time factor can be a deterrent for daily use. Blenders, in contrast, are generally faster to clean, as they have fewer detachable parts and don't generate pulp waste. If efficiency and ease are your priorities, smoothies hold the edge. Antioxidants and micronutrients. Juices are sometimes touted for their ability to deliver a quick, concentrated dose of antioxidants, valuable properties found in foods like carrots, beets, citrus fruits, or leafy greens. The immediate nutrient boost is beneficial, but some antioxidants are lost with the removal of fiber and skins. Smoothies keep nearly all micronutrients, especially those that are bound within the fruit or vegetable fibers and skins. As a result, smoothies may offer a broader antioxidant profile, especially when diverse and colorful ingredients are used. Meal replacement potential. In meal replacement scenarios, smoothies are the clear winner. You can incorporate multiple food groups in one blend: vegetables, fruits, healthy fats, proteins, and even complex carbs like oats. This flexibility means smoothies can serve as a satisfying breakfast, lunch, or snack. Conversely, juices, while nutritionally potent in vitamins, lack the staying power of smoothies and don't provide enough fiber or protein to count as a balanced meal. They're best used as nutrition boosters alongside a full meal, not in place of it. Hydration. Both drinks help maintain hydration. Juices perhaps more so, with exceptionally high water content. They can quench thirst fast, especially when made from cucumbers, melons, or citrus. Smoothies deliver hydration in a thicker form, which means you also get water from plant-based milks, yogurts, or ice, but the liquid isn't as rapidly available because of the presence of fiber. Which should you choose? Choose juice if you need a fast nutrient boost, have sensitive digestion, or are recovering from illness. Choose smoothie if you want a meal replacement, maximum fiber, or a filling. Balanced snack that moderates sugar absorption. Ultimately, there's no universal winner. Each has unique benefits that can be harnessed according to your health needs, palate, and lifestyle. Many nutrition experts recommend enjoying both at different times, depending on your goals, preferences, and daily routine. Both drinks can fit beautifully into a balanced diet and serve as gateways to increasing your intake of fruits and vegetables.